Hi guys, it's Laura and today I'm off to chat with the team at Elite Driving School all about why you should become a driving instructor. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Kev and I'm the director of Elite Driving School. And Elite Driving School's been on the go for 33 years. I think this is a really good career because it's a job for life. It's a very cost-effective way of becoming a self-employed professional. You can train to be an instructor. It doesn't take that long. And then once you're qualified, providing that you fit the requirements of the DVSA, you've got a job for life. So all you need is a car, some dual controls and the students. And it's so easy, you can go from there on. And it's a great job. People love dealing with other people. You're not stuck inside. You're out and about all day long. And you get to revel in their excitement and their joy when they pass a driving test. And as I say, you're your own boss. You can work whenever you want to work. You choose the hours, people don't dictate that to you. So yeah, it's a brilliant career. So after you've trained, if you so want to, you come and work for us on a franchise with us, we'll look after you. Or you can go work for any other local driving school, regional, national driving school, or you can go totally independent. The choice is yours, you're self-employed.
So before I chose to train as a driving instructor, my previous role, I was an engineer for most of my adult life, then went into management over the last 3 years. The job became quite high pressured when the company was bought by a larger company, and it got to the point where I needed to find another job basically and get out and look for something different. To enable me to take control of my future, I felt the best thing to do was to start looking at becoming a driving instructor in more detail. Yeah, so one of the great things about being a driving instructor is that we're able to choose the hours that we do work. There are clients out there that are looking for hours, lessons all hours of the day, right through the night if you wanted to. The flexibility is always there for anybody who's got ties with children, anybody who's got ties with work commitments or other commitments in their life.
What I love most about doing what I do is essentially it's different people all the time. The role's never the same twice. Everybody's got different needs, everybody's got different sort of requirements. It's always fun, it's always enjoyable, and even though you know it's frustrating sometimes, that's actually what makes it a challenge. So it's a fantastic career.
I was a bus driver before this and spotted this big billboard that said become a driving instructor. Took the number down, made the phone call, and that was Kev. Got off the phone about 2 hours later. I was convinced from there on that's what I wanted to do, you know, so that's where the journey started. I couldn't see myself working for anyone else. That's genuine, you know, honest. Just couldn't see myself working on my own or for another company. Right from the start, you're made to feel like a member of the family.
So if you're interested in becoming a driving instructor, the first thing to do is talk to somebody. There's lots of information on the internet. You can read it, but it doesn't tell you what you really need to know. So I would suggest you need to call somebody. We can set up a meeting, either a Zoom meeting or, you know, in better times, we'll be able to sit and chat to you. But you can do that by calling us on 0332 004 130.
Well, there you go, a flexible and affordable way to become self-employed. And if you're looking at becoming a driving instructor, then I can't think of anyone better to train with than Elite Driving School, because honestly, the guys on this team are such a laugh. I've had a brilliant time with them today. So as I say, if you're looking at becoming a driving instructor, then look no further than Elite Driving School. See you next time.